Welcome back from Mentor English. The summer vacations are over, the tours are over, the vlogs are over. So, welcome back to studies again. We are going to start the series of class management according to BS English of different universities, especially Minhaj University, Allama Iqbal Open University, Arifa University, Virtual University, Qaid-e-Azam International University, and many other universities, and according to their syllabuses, syllabi, and also according to ADA or B.Ed syllabi. So today the topic is that classroom management introduction. So let's get started. Successful management refers to the maximum learning outcomes of the student in academics with the less efforts of the teacher. Teachers usually used classroom management as a process of smoothly running classroom lessons besides the disturbing behavior of the students. Every classroom has its own reality. If the group of the same students moves from one class to another, they will experience entirely a different reality. They face a different level of motivation and expectations in different classrooms, and consequently the react sorry consequently they react accordingly to these situations. The aims of classroom management is to encourage and establish students self-controlled through promotion of positive behavior and academic achievement. Classroom management includes many things that starts from the tone of the voice of the teacher, the design in which the classroom furniture is organized, the physical environment of the classroom, the importance of classroom management for teachers and students, components of the classroom management, the syllabus and expectations from students, the strategies adopted by the teacher for the maintenance of discipline, to the procedure followed by the teachers for daily planning. These features will be discussed in detail in this unit or the further lectures. We will discuss particularly the objectives are the main key features of these units of classroom management. After studying the material, it is expected that you will be able to point one, define and explain the concept of classroom management. Point two, describe the importance of classroom management. Point three, explain the needs and role of classroom management. Point four, identify the components of classroom management. Point five, compare various designs of classroom management. So these were the intro of the classroom management, and we have started the series of classroom management. We will be right back with you with the new topic, with the new vlog, and also with the new web series episode, the universe, the dramatic web series written by Professor MA Raza, the dramatic web series, the new episodes, inshallah. And thank you very much for your collaboration. We have also a Urdu channel for the services of national language Urdu by the name of Khankai Urdu as Murshid Urdu. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.